In this video, I show you how to fix Truecaller login problem or Truecaller unable to connect. Try again later. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Truecaller, update your Truecaller app. Now search for VPN, install this VPN 1.1.1. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then tap on Truecaller, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Now connect your VPN app. Next, accept, install VPN profile. OK, not now. Tap on connect. Now open Truecaller app. Continue. Hello. Now I hope that this method fixed Truecaller unable to connect. Please try again later problem.